We're in a home in Daphne, Alabama that has some water damage. Show you the process from beginning to end. Start out with the pack out. We had our guys in here on Friday and they started mitigating and set up some drying equipment to stabilize until we can find the source and get some of this moisture out until we got the pack out going. This is a floating floor. They had took some of it out on Friday. Here's the source of the leak. There was a hole in the PEX that started in this bathroom. We have a floating floor. This is engineered floating. Water traveled underneath here, traveled into the adjoining room, into the office, coming into the hallway. You can't see much signs of water damage on the surface of this floor, but underneath, water traveled quite a bit. This is the master bedroom. Again, we're just packing everything out. You can see the floor. All the dark spots are coming out from the seam, so there's a lot of moisture that is trapped under here. It's going to require removing the entire floor out, getting that moisture barrier out. We'll also remove all the baseboards and inspect further for wicking. We don't have much moisture that wicked up on the drywall, but there is moisture on the bottom of the baseboard. Every item is individually packed, wrapped, labeled. We're moving some stuff here to the side for today, just to give some space to the homeowner. And we'll be back tomorrow. Today is Sunday. We couldn't come Saturday because the homeowner wasn't ready for us to come in and move some of these items and kind of turn the whole house upside down. But this is going to be the process. We'll start from the beginning to the end. We'll show y'all all the process. So we did all the pack out what we can get done today. Before we leave, we're going to set up the humidifiers and air scrubbers to continue stabilizing so we can prevent secondary damage such as mold. This was a Cat 1 loss. It was a freshwater source that started here in the bathroom, but due to the time and length, until the homeowner caught it, it deteriorated to most likely a Cat 3. As you can see, we do have growth. I do have an air scrubber here. I have the air pointing up. I don't want any direct air movement on any visible mold. So we're gonna have all of our air scrubbers with humidifier stabilizing, and we'll point the air up. Same thing here, we have a humidifier and air scrubber set up in the living room area. And going into the master, where we have a lot of moisture here too. Air scrubber pointing up, humidifier set up, and always leave your cords nice and tight around the wall. Tidy up, leave it clean overnight. We're back in our containment. This is after we got 3 days of drying right now. Today's day number 3. We still have wet sill plates and concrete still at 30%. We need to bring concrete down to 16. But this is what everything would look like. Air movers are all pointing in one direction. Everything is nice and clean. Everything has been HEPA vacuumed, scrubbed, chemical clean. And then we did put plastic up here on the ceiling, just so the insulation doesn't start blowing everywhere to blow in. We'll have some insulation blow as we're drying and coming out from the fireplace, but no big deal. When we pick up equipment, we'll do a thorough clean. And in this room, we were able to remove just the floor that was affected. And of course, we do reconstruction. We'll remove everything from there.